subtle, understated, blends in. They're not necessarily some of the words you use for one of our most eye-catching cars at our outdoor vehicle displays. It's the Honda Civic Type R. It looks angry, it's very quick, it's got lots of sticky out bits, and you might have noticed it's yellow as well. The car is based on the 10th generation Civic, and it's the 5th Type R. It's a front wheel drive car, it's got 329 brake horsepower from a 2-litre engine. It'll get you all the way up to 169 miles an hour and to 60 in about 6 seconds, so pretty swift. This car, not this individual car, but this generation of Civic held the lap record in 2017 at the Nürburgring. We don't have a Nürburgring sticker on the back of it though. This car was donated to Haynes Motor Museum, direct from Honda themselves, from their base in Swindon. We know it's a prototype and test version. It's got a few bits and bobs on it which mark it out from a production car. Just like this. Look, no number. So there you have it, the Honda Civic Type R. A car for every occasion. A car for every occasion.